So now we will focus on nose disease. So joke therapy can help in nose disease also, like some blockage in nose, polyp in nose, yes, some discharge from nose, sinus problem. This Sujoke therapy is very, very effective. Yes, if you do it correctly, you are getting good results. So let us see the points. Where are the points? So you have to find the nose point in your hand. So thumb is representing your face, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, all points are here. And after finding the painful point, you see, you have left thumb, right thumb. First start with the thumb and then you can go to fingers, because finger therapy also has, because on the top you have face point, also you have nose point here. So find the areas on your hand that correspond to the nose area, and then after finding the point, you have to rub, you have to massage this point, and then you have to fix the seat. If it is chronic problem, yes, or if there is any blockage, it is very good to do moxa before you fix the seat. You can keep the seat from 6 to 8 hours, and then next day you can change the seat. So here you see the point of nose in hand. Yes, you see the nose point. In foot, here is the nose point, and in finger system, this is the nose point. And now we will see how to do treatment for this nose disease. So, you know, this is nose point, yes, face, and in face, in finger system, this is nose point, okay. Also, you can have, you will see one more disease also. This is bleeding nose, blood from nose. So this is the point, okay. So you can use this rubber band technique on the nose point. As you have seen my previous lecture also, where I told that you can use rubber band technique for blood if it is bleeding. So this way you can tie this rubber band on the nose point. You can use this point also. First try with the thumb. So this is the nose point, and on the nose just put this rubber band and wait until this thumb tip gets blue. And when you see this is getting blue, so slowly remove this rubber band. Very, very slowly you have to remove this rubber band. Only thing is that this nose point should be correct. Okay, if your rubber band is here, this is eye area, this is mouth area. Yes, do this technique several times in case of nose bleeding. Okay, so I'm showing just 1 or 2 times. Then second thing, in nose bleeding, you can do massage nose area with eyes. Yes, all fingertips. This is nose point. You can massage with eyes, and you can also put blue color, dark blue color on the nose point. After putting this color on one hand, you can just fix one seat on the nose point. So this is the treatment in case this is bleeding nose. And if this bleeding is due to sunstroke or some heat energy, then also you can color this small intestine meridian here. This is small intestine meridian. You can color blue. Yes, in this area, you can put blue line. Okay. And now for polyps or some blockage of nose, this is the point. You have to massage. If you want to open, see, if you want to open this blockage and you are feeling that there is nose is blocked, then do clockwise massage nicely on all fingers, okay? And then give little pressure also. Massage with little pressure, but don't damage the skin. Okay, and then ask patient, how are you feeling? And if you're doing correct massage on the correct point, patient will respond very quickly. If person has sinus problem, Then also massage nearby area around the eyes, near the nose area, massage all this area in sinus case. Okay, like this here. This is nose and also around the point, nose point. See? Nicely. So this is a nose area you have to pay attention. And in chronic cases, in blockage, very good to do moxa also. But in bleeding case, you will not do moxa. Okay, just don't forget. And then you will fix the seat. In chronic cases, we are using black pepper. And in severe case, you can fix this black pepper on all the nose points. Okay. And if you have star magnet, what you can do, one day do seed therapy and second day you can do magnet therapy. And if you don't have magnet, then you can do seed therapy also, no problem. Like this. And then tell your patient to press this point more often. And one seat here on animal head, this is nose point, 2 eyes, and this is nose point. Massage this area and one seat you can fix it here. Okay, this is very good. Then secondly, in right hand, yes, in right hand, this middle joint, you can do massage on this area according to tri-origin. This finger has connection with nose. So you can use middle joint, neutral joint. Okay. And you can fix it on 4 direction like this. So you can put one seat here, front, back, left, right, like this on all 4 direction for any nose problem. Like this. And because nose is also connected to respiratory system, in chronic cases, also very good if you can massage this lung area. If it is coming, this discharge is coming due to cold, yes. So in this area, massage and you can fix garlic also because of cold, yes, in case of cold. So this is garlic. Don't peel the skin. Open this garlic, yes, and with the help of tape, because this is cold problem, on the points of lung, you can fix this garlic here. So this is additional support in case of cold. And if there is no cold, then you don't need to fix this garlic. Yes, and then one mudra. In ring finger, yes, in this finger, thumb, tip, touch the point nose. This is nose point. Okay. Whenever you feel blockage or any discharge or any obstruction, discomfort, do this mudra. This mudra, center point here. Okay. You can touch in both hands like this. And do calm breathing, focus your breathing. And in calmness stage, you will feel that this is working. So meditate and do this mudra. If you have chronic problem of nose, then you can continue this treatment continuously for 15 days. and slowly, you will see that your disease is getting cured, and if required, you can increase more days also. Also, this is lung meridian. Yes, lung meridian, respiratory system meridian. You can stimulate this point. This is spiritual point of lung meridian. Very good. Or you can stimulate this lung meridian also, but in this area, you can fix one seed. This is lung meridian. Okay, like this. Okay, so you can continue your treatment, and I hope you will definitely get your result. Don't stop treatment until you are fully cured. Okay.